How to set up Metamask and buy CBD on PancakeSwap. Hello and welcome everyone to our tutorial. Before we can start buying CBD tokens, we'll need to set up Metamask with the Binance Smart Chain. Network name, Smart Chain. New RPC URL, https://bsc-dataseed.binance.org/. Chain ID 56. Symbol BNB. Block Explorer URL https://bsc-scan.com. On PancakeSwap. Now that you've added the Smart Chain network, don't forget to select Smart Chain before going to PancakeSwap, so Metamask. Now go to https://pancakeswap.finance/. Step 1. Press Connect Wallet. Step 2. Select Metamask. The wallet will be connected. Step 3. Click to expand trade. Step 4. Click on Exchange to go to the trading webpage. Now we're on the exchange platform. Step 1. Select a currency token we would like to buy. Add the CBD Contract Address
0x0E2B411EA95760383378F4B3C
and press Import. Step 3. Check the I understand. Step 4. Click Import. Step 5. Put the amount of BNB in you want to buy CBD for. Step 6. Check the amount of CBD you'll receive. Step 7. Press Swap. Step 8. Confirm swap. Adding CBD token on PancakeSwap